disconnected. You feel so alone. You feel like nobody knows you at all. Right in a mouse cage, a puppy with a litter of kittens. You want it, but you can't have what they have. You hear, but no one sees you. You cry, but no one hears. Clean up all the blood now. Wash away the tears. The penguin and the others flying up in the air. You want it, but you can't have what they have. For what rhymes with orange, who'd want someone like me? You want it, but you can't have what they have. You want it, but you can't have what they have.
And that was Bird Dentist, and as expected, it was gorgeous. Now, back over to the news.